Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this dinosaur marble run for my son.
Thank you.
So we are going to check this thing out. So open it up, pull some out. Super cool, look at the cute little dinosaurs. So this is a 4-in-1 play set. You can set up all sorts of different things that you want to do with your marble run. And you have these cute little dinosaurs that have a little rail that will then allow the ball to go in and out throughout the dinosaur. So we're going to open this up and check them all out. This is a great 78-piece marble set. Both of my kids are really liking it, the challenges that it has, and using their little creative minds to make the little marbles run right through the little dinosaurs and out to however they want it to be. This is such a cute marble run set because you can use your imagination and create little things like trees or towers. Have your dinosaurs do so much stuff in the nice vibrant colors. They are nice big blocks that fit great into the set. They give you a lot of different balls to be able to use so the kids can play for hours.